Samsung has launched the Galaxy S24 FE exactly 1 year after the Galaxy S23 FE, and it turned out exactly what we expected it to be, but with a twist. It is not a reworked Galaxy S24 version in a slightly larger body, but a proper spin-off of the Galaxy S24 Plus. The Galaxy S24 FE looks a lot like the S24 Plus, both in size and feel. It has 2 Gorilla Glass panels, a flat metal frame, and 3 standalone camera rings on the back. It is also IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. This year, Samsung matched the Galaxy S24 FE screen size to the Galaxy S24 Plus screen size, meaning we are getting a 6.7-inch OLED now. It's not the same LTPO panel as on the Plus model, though, and that is how we meet the first difference. The S24 FE has a 1080p OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The Galaxy S24 FE is powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400E chip, which has the same 10-core CPU and Xclipse 920 GPU as the Exynos 2400 inside the Galaxy S24 Plus, but with slightly lower clocks. The RAM has been capped at 8 GB, which is not ideal, but it is still enough for most purposes, even AI. The camera is where we meet the next obvious differences. There are still 3 cams on the back with the same 50-megapixel OIS primary as on the S24 Plus. But here we have a more basic telephoto, 8 megapixels, 3 times, and ultra-wide, 12 megapixels, full frame. The selfie camera is a familiar 10 megapixel from previous generations of Galaxy S phones. The Galaxy S24 FE has a 4,700 mAh battery with 25-watt wired and up to 15-watt wireless charging. It also supports reverse wireless charging. Compared to the Galaxy S23 FE, the new model has just a few updates, the slightly larger display and the new chipset. That is about it. And we doubt the S24 FE will be considered an upgrade option. At first glance, the Galaxy S24 FE has no obvious omissions, but we do not appreciate the virtual proximity sensor. Not on a flagship-like smartphone, anyway. It has long overstayed its welcome on Samsung phones, and no matter how good the maker programs it, it just cannot be as accurate as the real deal. We also remember the days when FE stood for Fan Edition and gave us some fan-favorite features such as a microSD option, but that's no longer the case. The thin black box of the Galaxy S24 FE matches the size and style of the Galaxy S24 Plus. Inside you will find the phone, a black USB-C cable, and a SIM ejection tool. There is no charger in the box. The S24 FE is rated to charge at up to 25 watts as opposed to 45 watts, and it does have wireless charging too.